any additional remarks that you'd like to make, things that you may not have said?
Um, no, I just wish everyone the best in their search, if they're searching. And if they needed confirmation, hopefully they have gotten some sort of confirmation with this conversation.
Awesome, awesome. Do you have any questions for me?
I sure do. So I just turned 40 last month. I'm curious, what would your advice be to someone starting out in their 40s?
Hmm. So they're continuing their life in their 40s.
Mm-hmm.
Because starting out would suggest that they're just beginning. And I believe life is a continuation. It's a continuation, right? So you have your experiences, right? All the things that you learned in your early days. And I think that one of the biggest mistakes as we age, we've lost our sense of curiosity. We sort of stop being curious. And and I think that in their 40s, in their 50s, in their 60s, we need to rebirth a sense of curiosity in all of us. We must now get back to challenge all of our assumptions about life. There's nothing that we're currently doing that we shouldn't question. And I think 40 is a pivotal time in your life. And as you said, starting out, and I think that probably is a good way to put it. So it's a whole different journey you're taking on.
Right.
Up into your next 10 years, right?
Yeah.
I think so. We need to get back to being very curious and start to challenge all that we've been told. And I think if you do that, you will see many benefits. You will discover things that you never thought it's possible. That would be my suggestion.
Received.
All right. So anything else you want to say before we calm this down?
That's it. Thank you so much for having me.
Oh, it is indeed my pleasure, because my part in the word is that you are the future. You're the future in your family. You're the future in our community. And I am impressed that you consider running and serving as a politician, because I think more of us need to look at that. And as messy as it can be, sometimes you got to get in there and get dirty to fix the dirt.
Agree.
And move the dirt out of the way. You have to be part of the process, right? So I think that and in your family is a tradition of a big tradition, serving, it started a long time ago in your family. So that you would want to take a look at that, I'm not surprised. And I think it's something that, though we can't tell anybody what to do, it's something you should probably reconsider.
Okay, noted.
Nobody said it was going to be an easy walk, an easy road. And in fact, the road that is least traveled, the bumpiest of roads, are the ones that will give you the greatest returns. And not just for you.
That's true.
Not just for you, but for others as well. Because, we're looking at, you have three children, right? And we're creating, we have to look at the world that we're handing off to them.
Yeah.
And that place can only be a better place with you, us becoming more engaged. So that's my little piece.
I got it. I hear you. Receive.